Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell your crypto with MoonPay. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the main moonpay.com page. And so from here, once you go there, you can click get started or simply click on the sell button that is on the top and then choose whatever you would like to sell for here, for example, Solana. Now, once you see that, it will tell you to sell Solana for fiat, cash out Solana in a few clicks. And so from here, you can select however much Solana, and this is the amount that you will receive in euros. So if you have 2 Solanas, this is the amount that you'll receive in euros, and it will show you how much you'll pay in fees and everything. And so you're going to click on continue. Then from here, it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So from here, you're going to click on continue, and then you're going to provide all the ID cards that it might ask you for it to be necessary. So you can select your issuing country. So for example, for me, it's Hungary. And then from here, you're going to select the document type that you would like to provide. So for example, you can choose ID, residence permit, passport. So click on passport. Once that is done, click on continue. Now from here, you're going to upload a picture of your passport. Once you upload the necessary document, click on continue. And then from here, it's going to ask you to scan your face and show your face on the recorded camera. And if you don't have a camera that is working, then you can just continue on your phone and scan this QR code. Once you do so, all you have to do is continue the measurements, and once you're verified, then it will ask you to connect your wallet, which can be either Phantom Wallet or MetaMask or any other one, as you can see right here. And so once that is done, you can simply transfer your crypto, and then it will send to either your bank account or your credit card of your choosing. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.